Hey guys, Megalodon123 here, and I have Galaxy Pegasus. It's an attack type, right spin, and hybrid wheel. Here we have Takara Tommy and Sono Kong, and a light launcher, which is yellow, of course. And then here's the Jinga Hogane, the constellation, the pieces. Right there. And then the showing attack against Ray Unicorno and performance tip. So Galaxy Pegasus, wide 105, wide, low 105, rubber, right, rubber flat. So yeah, showing the season, which is Metal Fight 2, I think it is. The bottom, just warning, and yeah. And I already cut the piece off right there. So here we have the pieces. Here we have our clear face, our hybrid wheel, our metal wheel, Galaxy metal wheel, and our wing low track, and our right rubber flat bottom. So there's a good combination, and it says Poison Ray Unicorno, Poison Unicorno, 135 JB, which I don't know what that is. But it looks like Poison Unicorno with 135 wide ball. That's what it looks like. And it's a balance type, so there's a good combination. So status, you can't see there, right there. So let's open it. I'm gonna have to hurry it up because like my battery's low. So trying to go quick. Our yellow light launcher, which actually looks like lemonade, actually looks really yellow. Looks like a highlighter, basically. So there, yeah, and dang it! Please don't die on me. So here's the top with the face, the clear wheel, and metal wheel. So here we have the Pegasus clear, the hybrid wheel with red, and Galaxy metal wheel. And here we have stickers and performance tip and track. So a cool Takara Tommy, yeah. Trying to go quick, like I said, before it dies. And if it does die, I will have a part 2. So really bent ripcord. The stickers, which a lot of them go on the metal wheel. So yeah, stickers, yeah, the track, handbook, and I'll do a review, I guess, on it because I can't really do it right now. So I guess I'll see you later. Peace.